Hi everyone, in front of me Sony SRSXB13 wireless speaker, and today I will show you how to change its name in your Android phone. Let's get started. At first we have to power up our device with this button over there. Now we have to scroll down to our device settings, go down in your Bluetooth, click this gear icon and click this pen in the top right corner. Now we can change device name to HardReset. It can of course be yours, and click rename. Now our device is called HardReset. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more details of videos and hope it helps. Goodbye.